Hey guys, happy Sunday here, downtown St. Pete again. It's beautiful outside, nice and sunny. So I want to take you for a walk, show you the view. Come along. Hey everybody, this is Life with Marlene. I live in the beautiful state of Florida, and I show in driving videos with Florida ambiance that I am your Florida vlogger. I also share my love of thrifting and fashion, and I also take you along with me to the beaches. Welcome to this vlog. You're on my vlog. Who wants to sit down here and chill out and relax? It's almost sunset time, having a good time. I was with my nephew. He was over here at the splash pad, which I showed. So just having a good time on this Sunday. What are you guys doing in your area? nice view. Look at that. I can't forget about the channel members. Thank you so much to Gio, Sirius, Leticia, Nexi, Estad, and Dave of Dave's Adventures. Make sure to check out their links in the comment section below. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.